Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new WhatsApp channel feature that lets you follow your favorite celebrities, sports teams, artists, creators, and more. To create a channel, you'll need a WhatsApp account in the latest version of the app. You can also access channels through the WhatsApp Business app. To create a channel, first open WhatsApp in your mobile, then click this update. Click on the plus icon on the right side. Then click Create a Channel. You can easily create a WhatsApp channel account from your mobile phone. Let's see how I create a channel in my WhatsApp web account in a little more detail, for you to understand. To create a channel, open WhatsApp web, and go to Channels by clicking the Channels icon. Click on the plus icon on the right side. Then click Create a Channel. Read the instructions. Channels are public so anyone can discover your channel. Then second is, our channel people see, but they cannot see our phone number and profile picture, and name are not shown to followers. Then third one is guidelines. Click the guidelines to read and understand their policies. Then click Continue. Add a channel name, description, and icon to customize your channel. You can change these details later if you want. Click Create Channel, and you're done. To share on your channel link, open Channels Info, and then click Share your channel link. To share on your channel link, open Channels Info, and then click Invite a link icon, then share to your friends. You can send text, photos, videos, stickers, and polls to your followers. Only you and your admins can send updates on your channel. Your followers can react to your updates, using emojis or forward them to their chats or groups. To find and follow channels that interest you, open Channels by clicking the Channels plus icon and click Find Channels. You'll see a list of channels that are filtered based on your country. You can also search for channels by name or category. To follow a channel, click Follow. You can unfollow a channel anytime by clicking Unfollow. I have just created a new WhatsApp channel. For the latest informative videos, follow now. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.